Okay, see, today we'll continue the exercise 3.5 question number 3. Already I have given you yesterday the some problems for homework. I hope you all of you have solved. Now today the question number 3 is solve the following pair of linear equation by the substitution and cross multiplication method. I will not solve this problem by substitution method because already in the previous exercise we have practiced and solved the substitution method. Now let us solve this problem by cross multiplication method. See, this one is the last problem related to cross multiplication method. So see the solution attentively and learn the method of solving the cross multiplication. So it is very important and also very easy method to solve the pair of linear equations. So now I will solve this one. Let us modify these equation as modified form. 8x plus 5y minus 9 equals to 0. Then 3x plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. Which method we are going to solve? We are going to solve the cross multiplication method. Okay. Now let us write the values of a1 equals to 8, a2 equals to 3, then b1 equals to 5, then b2 equals to 2, then c1 equals to minus 9, then c2 equals to minus 4. Once again I will put the chart of that cross multiplication method. See, b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2, then b1, b2, b1, b2. I have given you a hint how to remember this for cross multiplication method. That is 2, 3, 1. That is rule is 2, 3, 1, 2 rule. 2, 3, 1, 2 rule means 2 means this is second related. Then 3 means C1 and C2. 1 means A1 and A2. Again 2 means B1 and B2. Now by using this method we have to write the formula related to x and y. That is okay, this represents x, this represents y, this represents 1. Okay, now x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, y divided by c1 a2 minus C2 A1, that is equal to 1 divided by A1 B2, A1 B2 minus A2 B1. See, every time it is not necessary to write the formula like this. If you know this cross multiplication perfectly, you can directly introduce the values of A1 and A2, B1 and B2, C1 and C2. Why I am going to solve in this method is, I have to solve for the average students who can confuse the direct method. So better to use this method for every time, those who are weak in mathematics. Now let us substitute the values. X divided by B1, see which one is the B1? 5 into, that is C2, observe the C2, minus 4 minus of, then B2, see 2 into C1, that is minus 9. Okay, now Y. C1 A2, C1 minus 9 into A2, that is 3 minus C2 A1 minus 4 into A1, C2 A1, A1 is 8. That is equals to 1 divided by A1 B2, A1 is 8, A1 B2 is 2 minus A2 B1, A2 is 3, B1 is 5. Okay, now let us simplify. X divided by 5 fours are minus 20, minus into minus plus 9 twos are 18, that is equals to Y divided by 9 threes are 27 preceded by minus sign, then minus into minus plus 8 fours are 32, Y plus, because minus into minus plus, that is equals to 1 divided by 8 twos are 16 minus 3 fives are 15. Now X divided by minus 20 plus 18 minus 2, that is equals to Y divided by minus 27 plus 32, that is plus 5, because larger number is plus, that is equals to 1 divided by 16 minus 5, by 16 minus 15, 1. So overall result we have to compare to this term. X now, X minus 2 equals to 1 and Y by 5, X by minus 2 equals to n, Y by 5 equals to 1. Y 1 by 1 is 1. So X equals to cross multiplication minus 2 into 1 and Y equals to 5 into 1. Therefore X equals to minus 2 into 1 minus 2 and Y equals to 5 on the 5. So X equals to 5 and X is equal to minus 2 and Y equals to 5. These are the solution of this problem. See, this one is the last problem related to the cross multiplication method. So practice it and it is also useful one. See the solution. See, question number 4, exercise 3.5 is having 4 verbal problems which we have to convert into pair of linear equations. After getting the equations, we have to use any method For example, you can use substitution method, you can use cross multiplication method, you can use elimination method. The best means suitable method is elimination method for solving the verbal problem related to the exercise 3.5. See, the first problem is a part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days. One has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, C has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charges. Whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays rupees 1180 as hostel charge. Find the fixed charge and the cost of the food per day. So let us consider solution for this problem. Let X be fixed charge and Y be the cost of food per day. This is X to the fixed charge or for cost of food. Now, by statement of the problem, A related, that is X plus how many days A has taken food in the mess. When A takes a food for 20 days, that is 20Y. The total cost of the food is 1000. Then B related, see, fixed charge is X. How many days she has taken? 26 days. Equals to how much she has paid? She has paid 1180. Okay. Let us say this as 1 second. Now, solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. Now, X plus 26Y, sorry, X plus 20Y equals to 1000. X plus 26Y equals to 118. Minus by subtraction. Okay, plus X minus X gets cancelled. This one is minus 6Y equals to minus 180. So Y equals to, both the signs are negative, do those signs. 180 divided by 6. 6 3s are and 0. 6 1s are. That is Y equals to 30. Put Y equals to 30 in 1. Okay? X plus 20Y equals to 1000. X plus 20 into 30 equals to 1000. So X plus 600 equals to 1000. Therefore X equals to 1000 minus 600. That is equals to x equals to 400. See, y equals to 330. See, what we have considered? Fixed charge, cost of food. Fixed charge x implies 30 rupees. Per day charge, fixed charge 400. Then per day charge, that is y. So fixed charge is 400. Then per day charge is 30 rupees. Okay. See the method and let us move to second one. See, exercise 3.5, second verbal problem. Second verbal problem, I will read. See, a fraction 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. So, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. A fraction becomes okay 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted. Say solution. Let the fraction be x by y. See, let the fraction be x by y. When a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from numerator. From numerator. Therefore, x minus 1 divided by y equals to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Cross multiplication. 3 in the bracket x minus 1 equals to 1 into y. Okay? 3x minus 3 equals to y on the y. Therefore, 3x minus y equals to 3. Let us say 1. 3x minus y equals to 3 by the statement of the problem. It becomes 1 by 4. Fraction becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to denominator. 8 is added to denominator. Therefore, x divided by y plus 8. Y is the denominator. X divided by y plus 8 equals to 1 by 4. It becomes 1 by 4. Okay. Cross multiplication. 4 into x equals to 1 into y plus 8. Okay, 4x equals to y 1 are y, 1 8 are 8. Therefore, 4x minus y equals to 8. Say equation 2. 4x minus y equals to 8. Now, solving 1 and 2. 3x minus y equals to 3. 4x minus y equals to 8. By subtracting, plus y minus y gets cancelled. That is minus x equals to minus 5. Therefore, x equals to 5. X equals to 5. Now, put x equals to 5. Put x equals to 5 in equation 1. In equation 3x minus 3 equals to y. In equation 3x minus 3 equals to y. Now 3x is 5, that is minus 3 equals to 5. 3 5s are 15 minus 3 equals to 5. 15 minus 3 means 12 equals to 5. So, y equals to 12. The fraction is by 12. See, almost all we have completed the exercise 3.5. That takes one more day, but I want to know whether you have practiced all the three methods or not. So I have given you two problems. How to solve those one? See, I have written solve by all the three methods. Solve these following pair of linear equations, all the three methods. Means you have to solve this pair of equations by three methods. Means three problems from one, then another three problems from second. So totally you have to solve 6 problems related to this. First by substitution method, second by elimination method, third by cross multiplication method. That means 3 methods. See, for every problem you have to use all the 3 methods. Okay? Tomorrow we will continue that problems related to verbal problems related to 3.5. Perhaps that chapter may finish tomorrow itself. Okay? Now after that we will continue once again that is the algebra, that is quadratic equations. Okay? Make the fair and also solve the homework whatever I have given. Thank you.